Where did this notion come from that people think Islam is very like evil and aggressive and angry? Maybe it's because the news. I think it's because the news. Everything is from the news is fake. The news is fake. We gotta stop watching the news.
I need a moment. Never in my life have I read anything about fetal stage development in an ancient book. It doesn't go into sperm drop and embryo and fetal development. That's wild.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin wassalatu wassalamu ala asrofil anbiya wal mursalin wa ala alihi washabihi ajmain amma ba'du. Teman-teman, jumpa lagi di channel Spirit Islam. Teman-teman, hari ini kita lihat ya, banyak sekali perkembangan di dunia Islam ya. Kemarin saya baru aja lihat seorang Kristiani ya, orang Kristen yang coba menghatamkan membaca terjemahan Al-Quran selama 18 jam. Dan apa yang mereka dapatkan setelah membaca Al-Quran selama 18 jam ya, atau full dari awal sampai akhir. Kalau teman-teman belum tahu videonya, silakan tonton videonya berikut ini.
Let him write and let the debtors dictate. Surely be questioned about bliss. Oh wait, I'm on page 420. I need to account for 5 more.
Oke teman-teman, itulah video dia yang sedang beraktivitas membaca ayat-ayat Al-Quran meskipun terjemahannya dari surat Al-Fatihah sampai An-Nas ya. Dan dia dapatkan bahwa ajaran Islam ini adalah ajaran yang rahmatan lil alamin.
I read the entire Quran in one sitting as a white boy, Christian, and I was shocked because and I can prove that I read the whole thing because you can see the video right there. But I was shocked because I thought it was gonna be like really evil and about, I don't know, terrorism. And it was actually amazing. And the most peaceful thing I've, like, after finishing, I was just like, wow. I feel like I've had some questions answered about life.
Semua pemberitaan tentang Islam yang beredar di media yang menjelek-jelekan Islam ternyata tidak ada. Tidak sesuai dengan ajaran Islam. Ya. Kalaupun ada orang-orang Islam, orang Islam yang berpaham radikal, itu bukanlah ajaran Islam, tapi oknum-oknum ya, atau orang-orang yang salah memahami Islam.
It literally says ward off evil with good. Where did this notion come from that people think Islam is very like evil and aggressive and angry? Maybe it's because the news. I think it's because the news. Everything is from the news is fake. The news is fake. We gotta stop watching the news.
Kemudian, di sini kita perlu apresiasi ya. Kenapa orang yang non-muslim saja, mereka ini bahkan bukan satu orang ya, banyak mencoba untuk membaca Al-Quran meskipun terjemahannya dari awal sampai akhir. Padahal kita sendiri sebagai umat Islam kadang-kadang malas untuk baca Al-Quran. Ya, itu adalah poin penting. Harusnya menjadi tamparan bagi kita bagaimana orang non-Islam, orang non-Muslim ya mau mempelajari Al-Quran, tapi kitanya sendiri enggan untuk membaca Al-Quran. Itu tamparan keras buat kita ya. Kemudian ada video lagi di sini yang lagi viral, seorang ibu-ibu yang rajin membuat konten di TikTok dan dia membaca terjemahan Al-Quran. Dan dia ini begitu takjub ya dengan apa yang disampaikan oleh Al-Quran ya. Berkali-kali dia sangat merasa wah ya dengan isi Al-Quran ini. Kalau teman-teman belum tahu videonya, silakan lihat videonya yang ini.
Oh, the moon reflects this. Oh! Wait, it straight up did say that, didn't it? placing the moon within them as a reflected light and the sun as a radiant lamp. No way. I straight up did just pass right by that. For those confused about what just happened, this book, the Quran, came out 1,400 years ago. 1,400 years ago. Whenever you're looking up astronomy, astrology is the horoscopes. Astronomy. When you're looking into astronomical science, look up when they discovered that the moon was not its own light, but it in fact reflected the light of the sun. Look that up. Because that was not discovered 1,400 years ago. That came way after in the world of science. This book is spitting facts centuries before they ever came out. Well, I mean, they were already out. It's just people like blew this off as like a religious book, I guess. Like they just wild.
Oke, teman-teman. Itulah video orang non-muslim yang begitu kagum dengan isi dari Al-Quranul Karim.
See 22:5 real quick. What's 22? Al-Hajj, the Surah Al-Hajj. We're going to jump to 22:5 and see what stages of development means. O humanity, if you are endowed with resurrection, then know that we did create you from dust, then from a sperm drop. What? Then developed you into a clinging clot, then a lump of flesh, fully formed or unformed, in order to demonstrate our power to you. Then we settle whatever embryo we will in the womb for an appointed term, then bring you forth as infants, so that you may reach your prime. Some of you may die young, while others are left to reach the most feeble stage of life, so that they may know nothing after having known much. And you see the earth lifeless, but as soon as we send down rain upon it, it begins to stir to life and swell, producing every type of pleasant plant. Google, hold please. There was no clear understanding of embryology until Carl Ernst von Baer in 1827. Those stages that were just in here 1,400 years ago, science did not catch up until 1827. What you mean? What do you mean? It was talking about sperm drop, embryo, and everything. This is wild. This is wild. What you mean? Yo, what? I need a moment. Never in my life have I read anything about fetal stage development in an ancient book. Because the Bible talks about seed, but that's it. Like that is as deep as the Bible gets in regards to human life or creating human life. It doesn't go into sperm drop and embryo and fetal development. That's wild.
Di sini kita sebagai umat Islam harusnya lebih giat lagi, ya. Lebih rajin lagi untuk mempelajari Al-Quran. Membaca Al-Quran, membaca terjemahannya, belajar untuk memahami, ya, lebih dalam tentang isi Al-Quran itu sendiri. Bahkan kalau bisa kita bereksperimen, ya, meneliti, ya, apa yang diungkapkan di dalam Al-Quran, ya. Teman-teman, ini kita jadikan sebagai motivasi, ya, supaya kita lebih rajin lagi. Jangan sampai orang non-muslim yang sudah jauh, ya, begitu jauh melangkah, tapi kita masih di belakang, ya. Oke, mudah-mudahan ada manfaatnya. Oke, teman-teman, jangan lupa follow atau subscribe channel Spirit Islam. Kita jumpa lagi pada video berikutnya. Akhirul kalam, billahi taufiq wal hidayah, wal afu minkum, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.